Hello, Don Rolfe here with Northwest Legal Planning. I'm here to answer a question I got this morning from a potential client, and they asked me, when we get it done, will my estate plan benefit? And there's two sides to the answer to this question. The first is, during your lifetime, your estate plan can benefit you. So if you become incapacitated, injured, incapacitated mentally or physically, then if you have a complete estate plan, it can benefit you by people that you have named stepping into roles that you have put them into, whether that's a successor trustee, your agent under a power of attorney. They can step into those roles and take over and make sure that the day-to-day, year-to-year things that need to happen with your assets and your income, your bank accounts, all of those things, make sure that those continue to happen. So that's on the financial side while you're alive, and then on the non-financial side while you're alive, you have all of your healthcare decisions. You have if you have an advance directive and healthcare power of attorney, it'll notify who is to make decisions for you. It will guide them into what decisions you would want them to make, and also give them the power to make those decisions for you, to make sure that the people you want, know, love, trust are making the decisions, or they are the ones making the decisions for you, and that you have appointed them to make those decisions. So during your lifetime, your estate plan can benefit you. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me, myestateplanmeeting.com, and schedule a time for us to chat. Then, the people that your estate plan will benefit after you are gone are numerous. Essentially, it's going to be your entire family that you love and care for, that you are planning on leaving things to. It will take away any question as to who is to get what percentages, whether or not there are charitable organizations to get things that you cared about during your lifetime, whether or not distant relatives are to get anything. If you have minor children, it will clear up the issue as to who you would want to be raising your children if you pass before they attain the age of majority. It will set forth what kind of memorial service you want, what kind of funeral arrangements, whether you want to be buried, entombed, cremated. It'll answer all of those questions so that in the most painful time of those people's lives, losing you, they don't have to worry about what to do. You've already set it out, rather than having to rely upon having the court appoint someone, the court make decisions, people fighting over who's going to make decisions. You've already predetermined that. It will help them. And depending upon how you set up your estate plan, whether you're gifting assets to people outright or you're gifting it to them in trusts, you can also set them up to hopefully be more successful by perhaps giving them their bequests in a trust so that there's asset protection. There are guidelines that you set forth as to perhaps how you would like them to use what you've left behind. Or perhaps you just leave it to them free form. But it's an ability for you to put everything in one place, give some guidelines, give some direction, and actually set forth in writing, which you can amend at any time before you pass away and you still have capacity, who's going to get what that looks like, how they're going to receive it, whether it's outright or in trust or paid out over time. And it really makes it much easier for your beneficiaries. And especially if you're setting up a trust that is well lined out and is properly funded, you're going to be getting them out of the courts, not having to have probate, not making it a process that is going to take years with court oversight. If you have any questions about this as to who an estate plan benefits, or any other estate planning question, do feel free to reach out to me. We can chat absolutely free, and you can set up an appointment for us to do that by going to myestateplanmeeting.com. Again, my name is Don Rolfe, attorney at Northwest Legal Planning. If you liked this comment, please click the like button below. I'd really appreciate that. Or if you like this video, please click the like button below. You could leave a comment below. I'm happy to read those and answer them. If you know anyone who might like this information, or might need this information, please do share it with them. I want to get this information out to as many people as possible. If you have any questions that you'd like me to address on these live videos or in my weekly video and podcast, send it to me. I'd be happy to answer those questions. I'm always looking to simplify things for people and to take the mystery out of the estate planning world. Until next time, take care.